Hi everyone, it's Yvonne from Village Fabrics here. I just want to give you a brief outline of what you're going to receive in your first package when you join our new Village Street row a month. In the first package that's going to drop through your letterbox, you're actually going to get row 1 and row 2. So you're going to receive the very bottom row, which is the log cabin. So you've got all the wonderful cotton fabrics. Then you're also getting this lovely black cat and the garden fence that goes with that. So again, you have wonderful quality cotton fabrics. Anyone who's seen me will know that I'm always suggesting that people have nice quality thread. So we're including, you get these as well. You're actually getting threads. Always new pack of needles, because I'm going to be telling you to put a new needle into your machine before you start the project. And as always, have one by my sewing machine, a quick unpick. It's inevitable, ladies. You're going to need one of those. This is your first introduction to the whole project, so we also include a full picture of what you're going to achieve at the end of the project, with some useful hints and tips. So 2 rows, 1 month, great place to start. See you in Sewing Street on the 18th of May. Let's have some fun.